Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do a magic ring or a magic circle. There are many ways to do this, but this is the method I prefer. So grab your hook and your yarn. It doesn't matter what size or what kind of yarn you have. So I'm going to pull up some yarn here. And I like to hold my hand like this. And I pull up my finger and put the yarn in between, and then I wrap it around my index finger and around my thumb. Let's do that one more time. So like so, put it in between 2 times and then 1 time. So you're going to grab your hook, and here you're going to put a yarn at the hook between the thumb and the yarn, and then go here and then pull up the loop. And chain 1. Let me show you that one more time. And then chain 1. And now you can let go here. And you can do your stitches. So whatever kind of stitches you have to do, just put them in there. And when you're done, you're just gonna pull tight. So, and now you can start the next round with the increases. We're gonna do this one more time. Now let go, and then do your stitches in the ring. You can use this method when you're making amigurumis. This is how I start all my projects. So I hope that you like this video. Be sure to check out more videos from me and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.